Hi guys, I want to show you in this short video what I found to be a rather questionable CPU cooling profile default that Apple chose for the M4 Max Studio. In this test, I'm stressing the 12 performance cores to their max by doing a dense matrix multiplication. The system is pulling 120 watts from the wall plug with just the performance cores under load. I chose this test as it is the traditional way to test peak performance of high-performance systems. In this case, the neon vector units are bearing the full brunt of the computational effort. CPU temperature has reached 109 Celsius. I don't know about you guys, but this seems a tad excessive to me. I was concerned the system might shut down at this point, so I stopped the computation. Shall we try this again? Okay, let's give it another try. In this test, only the P cores are under full load. You can see that on the bottom right window that shows the utilization of each CPU cluster. The fan speed is still barely above idle and not keeping up with the increasing CPU temperatures. One thing the macOS does to prevent any CPU core from getting too hot is to regularly swap threads between the cores. However, that is not enough to counteract the objectively too low fan speed in this example. If you look at the top right window that shows the CPU power, you can see little dips. That's the system throttling down. I've never seen so many red lines in the TG Pro utility before. Curiously, the fan profile was more aggressive in taming GPU temperatures. Even when the system was drawing in excess of 160 watts, I did not see the temperatures exceed 100 Celsius. Clearly, these CPU cores are more power dense than the GPU cores and harder to keep cool. We can see at this point that the CPU frequency has been scaled down by 100 MHz. And you can observe in the top right window the corresponding drop in CPU power draw. Despite the higher fan speed, the Studio is still struggling to prevent the CPU cores from throttling. The power load has become quite erratic, as you can see in the top right window. The fans are clearly audible now. Let me show you how it sounds.